Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss Photoshop tutorial for beginners. Those who want to learn Photoshop, this video is for all the beginners. So basic purpose is it will be a series of videos in which we will be discussing all the tools, all the menu options, and then we will discuss how to create designs. In design we have web design, graphic design, you can create banners, you can create website mockup. So everything we will be discussing step by step. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So friends, first of all, we will discuss about the layout. So on the top, we have all the menus. So most of the work you can do using these menus. Suppose you want to show any panels on the right hand side, you can see the right hand side of the Photoshop consists of panels. Here we have different layers. So all the work in Photoshop is done in layers, so that if there is any change or if there is any issue, so we can just delete that layer and we don't need to recreate everything from the scratch. So we'll start first from file. We'll create a new document. We have to give width and height in pixels, and we have to just give a title. Click OK. Now you can see the width of this document is 25%. I will increase the width, so it is 50%. Now first of all we will discuss all the tools that are on the left. You can see we have first tool is move tool. So this move tool is used to move the item that is there on the document. Then we have all these tools that is used for selection. So we will first discuss the move tool. In order to use the move tool, we will drag and drop one image in Photoshop. You can see we have drag and drop this image. Now what we need to do, we can just increase the height and width. Right now it is becoming pixelated. So this is a small image, and we can just click on the stick arrow, and now you can see the image is there. And you can also see that for every image we have a new layer. So all the work that we do in Photoshop is based upon layer. So anytime we can just hide this layer, so we are back to what it was started, and we can just unhide this so that we have this. So first tool is the move tool. In order to do any movement, you need to be on this particular layer. So I am on nature 2 layer. I will just drag. I can just move it from any place within this document. So this is basically a move tool. All other tools are basically selection tools. So this is a rectangular marquee tool. So if you want to select a rectangle part in this, you can use this rectangular marquee tool. Now the purpose of this is to select a specific image of specific shape. So it is rectangular, so you can select rectangular. You can move this from one place to another place. And we have another tool that is used for selection is elliptical marquee tool. You just click on this and you just make the selection, so it will automatically make an elliptical. And if you want to fill any color, or if you want to do any, so you can just use brush tool. Now you can see it is not allowing me to do anything, because if you want to do any image manipulation, you have to make this particular image rasterize, because by default whenever you drag and drop any image, it is in smart object form. So you click on rasterize layer. Now your layer is rasterized. Now if you go there, you can see this particular brush is now working, and you can see you cannot do anything outside because you have selected this particular portion. So this is the good thing. So whatever you want to do, whatever changes you want to make, you have to do within this selection. So this is basically elliptical. Then you have single row marquee tool. If you want to create a single line, so you just click on this and it will make a line on all the document, and you just right click on this. Any tool that you place on the document, all the properties is there by just clicking on right click on that. And if you want to fill color, so if you want to go for stroke, and if you want to increase the opacity, like suppose 100%, color is red, click OK. And when you remove this, you can see that we have a red color line. Similarly, we have vertical line. You just click on this line will be there up to end of the document. Click on this stroke, and again 100%, okay. So it will create a stroke. So these are all selection tools. And in order to make any changes in an image, you just need to make it rasterized. The layer should be rasterized, otherwise you cannot make anything. Similarly to this, we have another set of selection tool. These tools are called lasso tools. Now these lasso tools are basically used when you don't have a specific shape. So you can make any shape, and then you have to just join the start and end point, and you can see that I have created the shape. I can go to any brush tool, this brush tool, and now whatever painting I will be doing, that will be within this selection of the lasso tool. So lasso tool is basically used to select the portion that doesn't have a well defined shape. Similarly, we have polygon lasso tool similar to this, and in this case you just need to select anything, go and click on that particular portion. It will create straight lines, and you just need to join the start and end thing, and your selection will be done. So this is polygon. And finally we have magnetic lasso tool. So it just understand which color combination is there, and it automatically make the line based upon the color on which we are creating the line. So again, the first move tool, second tool are again selection tool, then third lasso tool. Lasso tool are basically selection tools which doesn't have fixed size or shape. Then we come to the magic wand tool. Now this is a magic wand. So if you want to select the portion of the image which have same color, you can use this magic wand tool. Again, if you right click, you have all the different options through which you can save selection, you can select inverse. So again it will be selecting all other items. Then we have quick selection tool. So this quick selection tool automatically selects all the things. So if you go for quick selection tool, it will start selecting whatever you want. So it is very fast in selection. Then you have crop tools. So if you want, these crop tools are basically used whenever you want to create or you want to have a particular section from the image, you can do this, and now you have cropped everything and only that particular part is there. So friends, this is all about the selection tools that are being used in Photoshop. In the next video we will be discussing about these tools, and then in the series we will be discussing how to create how to manipulate images, how to create web design, banners and everything. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.